gonna make a difference. Take back what's mine. Give power to the people. Some dreams never die. Can I get a witness? You know that it's right. 'Cause we gotta rise up and teach the world to unite.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're finally going to be dyeing the carpet black. If you haven't seen part 1 already, we are doing a black interior swap. So make sure you watch that video first over here if you haven't seen it already. And let's get started. Right, so before we move back into the garden to the carpet, I'm going to show you guys inside right now and give you guys a little recap of what's been done so far. So as you can tell, at the moment the whole interior has been fully stripped. Everything's been removed. There's no carpet. So yeah, let's head to the garden and we'll continue from there. Right, so as you can see, we've got the carpet laid out on the floor right here, and what I have done off camera, I have given it a little bit of a clean, but as you can tell, it is still a bit stained up, but it is heavily dirty. And ideally what you guys want to use, you want to use a wet vac or some sort of carpet cleaner, like super strong carpet cleaner, because ideally you do want to get all of these little stains off. But honestly, these are not coming off. I did use bleach, but it still won't come off. But honestly, I can't be asked, and I'm just lazy like that. But yeah, don't take my advice. And as for how we're going to be dyeing it black, I did get this pretty cool black carpet dye from eBay. It's called CD25D black carpet dye, Carbusonic, whatever that means. But yeah, I did get I got 1 liter of black carpet dye. Jeez, I hope it's not going to rain. It looks like it's going to rain. I swear, if it rains today, yeah, nah. But yeah, hopefully this But yeah, as I was saying, hopefully this should do the job. However, I did only get 1 liter, and I'm not entirely sure if that will be enough, but I will let you guys know in the text right over here. So if you guys are gonna buy it, make sure you get the right amount. This also comes with a little spray bottle as well, and ideally what you're gonna want to have is a little paintbrush or sponge, so we can rub it in. So yeah, let's get the setup all prepped. Right, so what you guys want to do first, you just want to take off the little cap. Be careful, because this dye is permanent, so if it gets on your skin, that stuff is never going to get off you. Once you take the lid off, just get your just get your little spray and pop it in nice and gently. Oh, geez, that is quite tight. Yeah, just put it on, just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want that sort of spilling out. What you're going to do to test it, just give it a little shake. No, yeah, it's all good. Also, before you guys do start, make sure you have some gloves on. That's essential. You do not want any of this in your hands. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I can't lie, I'm a bit nervous. I've never done anything like this before, but hopefully it goes well. Right, so we've got our spray. We're gonna make a start. Okay, the first spray, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, yeah. Oh jeez. Okay, so it's a bit windy. It's a bit of an issue, but it should be alright. So just keep in your spray and spray. Oh, okay. So yeah, one thing guys, I've noticed, this thing does not like to be sprayed downwards. We're gonna want to hold it upwards and sort of spray like that. That is much better. Guys, whatever you do, don't do this on a windy day. Honestly, it's absolutely terrible. Right, so I've had to change location because it is way too windy, and honestly guys, I'm telling you right now, do not do this on a windy day because it is not worth it. It's absolute pain in the ass. But because I'm an ass, I'm gonna do it in the wind regardless. So yeah, let's continue. Guys, you do want to get a little brush, and you want to sort of just scrub in the paint into the carpet, so it bonds a bit more nicer and better to the carpet.
Smile, but tears still flow like denial, yeah, denial. He ain't answering the phone when she dial, yeah. Son, come on, I promise it ain't safe when you leave your face alone.
Right, so as you guys can see, we have completed one side, and that's only the first layer. As you can pretty much tell, it's still a bit patchy. So yeah, we're gonna let that dry, and we're gonna move on to the other side. So let's go.
So close to taking off. I'ma put my people on my location where I'm from. Just get ready for the drop. Till my hood is on a mad, leave my city double back. Got a message for the block. Put his feel up in the jet.
Right, so it is the next morning, and as you guys can see, we have completed the first coat, and we've let it dry for a bit. But yeah, as you can tell, it already is looking pretty damn good, and I'm honestly super duper impressed. Like, I was not expecting it to look this good already. Keep in mind, guys, this is just from the first coat, alright? And yeah, I do realize that the left side is a bit more darker than the right side, and I'm guessing I put a bit too much on that side. But yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. We've done the first coat already, and it does feel pretty normal, I guess, but I do see what people mean when the carpet, it does sort of lose its softness. I mean, it's still soft, but it does feel it's a tiny bit more, what do you call it, more brittle, I guess. But honestly, it's still pretty soft, and it's not an issue. It's not like people are going to be wearing their shoes in the car anyways. We're going to continue doing the second coat now, and hopefully we'll get both of these looking even, and it will look 10 times better. So yeah, let's make it start.
It's like when it don't see the morning. I swear we traumatized by the sirens. It's like we getting numb to this violence. We barely be surviving. My little bro told me that he trying, living with this pain but still smiling. Inside he dying. Hands out trying to reach for faith in this life full of sin. Everybody trying to find their way. This path, if I ever go share, would you judge or love me? My point of tears.
Right, so we've done the second layer on that coat over there. We're gonna finish off the rest now, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
We crying at night, I can feel the ocean. Back the ink to my pen when I write from the depths of my soul. Sometimes I wanna let go and I know I'm going for.
Right, so as you guys can see, we've finally done the second coat. It took us probably around an hour. It took so long, but yeah, it's looking absolutely awesome after the second coat. It pretty much looks solid black right now. I mean, obviously there are some imperfections. If you really want to go, like, if you want to zoom in, like, I mean, you can't really see it, but if you look closely, if you peel the carpet back, you can see the cream color inside. But honestly, with that kind of stuff, you want to get proper equipment. You want to get multiple coats, probably 4, 5 coats, probably a proper brush. But honestly, I'm satisfied as it is. I'm alright with it. I'm not too fussed. But yeah, if you guys want to add more coats, go ahead. But honestly, for me, this is more than enough. I mean, the car's black and it's going to be dark inside. You won't be able to tell, and to be honest with you. But yeah, that's the carpet done. I'm going to let that dry for a whole day, 24 hours. But in the meantime, there's something else I'm going to do. Let me show you guys. Right, so as you guys can tell, my seals are actually cream as well, which is a bit of an issue as we are going for a black interior. As you can see, our seals are cream. That one's cream as well, apart from that one is black. So what I was thinking, we could potentially dye these black as well. So yeah, let's give it a go and see how it goes. Save us some money. Right, so first off, we're just going to peel it off, take it out. It's a bit wet, so just be careful about that. Peel it out, super easy. Oh. Right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our brush and we're gonna spray a little bit just on the edges, just like that, tiny bit on the edges, and let's see if this works. I have no idea if this is gonna work. I hope it does. Let's give it a try. So oh damn, there you go, guys. I guess it's working. I mean, I don't know how good it's gonna look, but yeah, I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll update you guys and I'll let you guys know how it looks. Right, as you guys can see, we have dyed all of the trim, and surprisingly it went surprisingly well. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was pretty easy. I mean yeah, that's about it. What else can I say? I used a brush and I just make sure I got all of the corners, and I mean, honestly, I do feel like I should do another coat because you can't really tell on camera, but it is appearing a little bit grey. But I've literally finished my last bottle. I have no more left, and you know what, in the future or off camera I might buy another one and just redo them. But yeah, they work perfectly for seals as well, and obviously try not to get it on the rubber over there. You don't want to get it. Oh crap. As I was saying, yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's head back to the garden and I'll show you guys the carpet. Right, so as you guys can see, we finally done the carpet. It's in the garden, it's drying up, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for part 3 coming up next week probably, where we're finally going to be installing the whole interior. We're going to install the carpet, the seats, armrests, all that stuff. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave me in the comments or any suggestions for any future mods, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I'm gonna make a difference. Take back what's mine. Give power to the people. Some dreams never die. Can I get a witness?